Film me? Film me? Okay. Don't move the camera. Please do not.
No.
Why not?
You only see the vid in the paper. Go back. Asshole, go back.
We're trying to. Oh, it was perfect. Hold on. Alright, there you go.
Oh my god, that's perfect. Ew.
The fuck is that? Oh! Stop. I'm gonna get stuck. Oh shit. See, Walter here doesn't have $6.72, so he can get this.
Yeah.
So he's not eating today.
To bring
After I gave him $1, he was missing $1, and I gave him $1, and he's missing, what, 72 cents? Yeah. So here I am, eating, and he's not. I fucked up, but whatever. I'm hungry. Okay. This sounds really good. I got a BM2. What are y'all boys? My favorite time. Got a BM2. I'm gonna switch the pepperoni to ham. With some provolone cheese, tomatoes, and mayo, toasted with what's it called? Italian herb and cheese bread. Try it. It's good. You get? You get?
I'm going to the gas station. People are assholes.
You finished already?
Eyes are about to pop out your fucking face.
I'm not feeling fucking good. I'm gonna get my dollar back. I can buy a Arizona. What the fuck? So yeah, try the BMT. It's really good. Or if you have, try it without pepperoni. The pepperoni sucks. Open my change. I took it. What? I need what's it called?
Arizona Air?
Yeah, Arizona.
Arizona?
Arizona.
Arizona?
Yeah. Alright. I love you guys. I'm leaving. Peace out.